How to delete messages on Discord mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can send messages on Discord app on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to send messages or delete your messages on the Discord app on mobile, open up the Discord app and you will see this type of interface. And let's say you went to a certain chat and then you happen to send someone a message. All you have to do is just go ahead and then basically long press on that particular message there, and here you can see many options. You just need to scroll a bit further down like this, then you'll find delete message option. Tap on delete message and here you can see, are you sure you want to delete this message? Just tap on yes and that message will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete that message. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.